YANAIMWE na atatu NIMATIITWE THAYU miongole na kenda MAIKWATA MAWIMISYE KUMANA Mbua NENE lende na UKUUSIWA ISIONI KIVATHUKANYO YILA YANANGITE NYUMBA ngili miongole na nyanya ENETHI YANAIMWE miongo nyanya na ana MAITIWA MATENA MAWIKALO KWIANANA Livoti KUMA ila Mbua YAMBIIE NGINYA MUTHENYANI wa IYOO muneni wa Silikali inena musini wa Mombasa kavindane kala wanengane Livoti inwa wetakana maobisa ma Silikali pamwe na ndongoi nesiyothioka ISIONI ila Mbua ikinete muno kumanthanzia ya kutethia NENE pamwe na kusiambanga cia Mbua ila yetete wanangiko munene vala NENE makule kwisiania na mbanga ta kukelanilia mbusi kana kwikala ISIONI ila itonya kukuneka ni Mbua maura ingi na watakana Silikali yosi itambe ya kusukuma mbe matuku mako bingwa skulu kuitana manyiwa alama ISIONI ila ikunekete ni Mbua kukomana na mbanga Angelina Museno kutwalesya.
Muneni wa Silikali Isaac Maura NENE ava musini wa Mombasa niwelezekana Silikali ni kukwatiania na ndongo vamwe na maovisa nene Silikalini kuikithia kana nimeki ya malonyo me mwanya ISIONI ile ikunikite muno ni Mbua nekana NENE ISIONI methio mausuvioni na kuitana na mbanga cia Mbua.
The government is constantly and keenly monitoring the flooding situation across the country with the aim of alleviating the human suffering that is occurring as a result of natural happenings and in other cases due to human errors. It is disturbing that we are losing lives due to avoidable deeds such as daring nature by staying in flood-prone areas, as well as a failure to be cautious about voluminous and fast-moving waters. As a government, we will continue to call on every Kenyan to prioritize personal safety and to take the necessary precautions during these uncertain times. And we are going to be issuing constant reminders through various government agencies on the lurking dangers of the floods, so that we urge everyone to be observant of any forms of danger, particularly flash floods, mudslides, and pre-announced threats of lightning. So that
niwa watakana Silikali ni kuendea na kumia utethio kui NENE alama kunikite ni Mbua vala KWIANANA Livoti ila wanengane umuthi andu YANAIMWE na atatu NIMATIITWE THAYU ni kumana na mbanga kivathukanyo cia Mbua vala miongo ili na kenda makwatite MAYUMISYE na angingili YANAIMWE na miongo nyanya kutiwa MATENA MAWIKALO.
The official record of the Kenyans that have unfortunately lost their lives is 103. And the government sends its most sincere condolences to families of those who are affected and relatives and friends due to these floods. The Rift Valley region has the highest loss of lives at 21, and 29 people have been injured, and 21 persons have reported missing. So 29 people have been injured, and as at now, 21 persons have reported they cannot be traced. The number of displaced households currently stands at 28,484, which is 185,297 people affected.
Nikana kuolanga mbanga NENE ni makulu kuikithio seseiwo kwa kulea kukila mbusi kavindani kala kiwiki ikingi ovama na kuthama ISIONI ile itonya ukunika vanene ni Mbua na kumaite wasyo.
And we urge everyone to stay safe by avoiding flooded areas and practice caution around fast-moving waters. Once again, let us prioritize safety and take the necessary precautionary measures during these times, and also exercise that spirit of patriotism and nationhood so that we can help fellow Kenyans.
Kwatiania na kukuiswa kwa matuku mako vingwa kwa skulu ta mwaka Maura ni watakana Silikali yosi itambe isele kuikithia kana manyiwa kuma ISIONI ile ikunikite muno ni Mbua ni metano na kukomana na mbanga ovamwe na kunenga Silikali mwanya wa kuikia malonyo me mwanya na kumanthanzia kivathukanyo cia kukitana na mbanga kwisiana cia skulu.
Because of the various reports that we have gotten through the Ministry of Education, it was found necessary very late in the day to communicate that, because it's better late than never, because sometimes if you leave it and then there are casualties of this, then we'll all be asking ourselves, then why did the schools have to open?
Livoti ya vilingo wa Movo kuma kauntini ya Mombasa, nita wa Angelina Museno.